Hello, Chillicothe second graders. It's Mrs. Price, and I'm going to review our remote learning packet for Friday, January the 22nd, 2021. Our first page is our reading passage. The title for our reading passage today is Soups On. It has 4 paragraphs, and we also have 4 questions for you to answer. So I'll review the questions. So when you are reading the passage, you will know what answers you're looking for. There is also a video for the this reading passage and comprehension where I read it and go over the questions, and you can also refer back to that as well. So question number 1, what did the author dislike about Mr. Chowder? A, the prices, B, the noise, C, the food, D, the hours. Question number 2. What is paragraph 3 mainly about? Question number 3. What is the author's purpose in this text? And number 4. What reasons does the author give for eating at Mr. Chowder? Remember, all the answers you need are over here in the reading passage. Let's turn to the next page. It is regrouping, and it will be subtraction with regrouping. So let me see if I can make this page a little bit bigger for us. And the first one is done for us. The first problem is done for us. So why don't we go ahead and work on the second problem? It is 322 minus 238. Well, we have to look at this top number. We always start with the ones, and I'm just going to draw an arrow here to remind us that we always start with the ones. And if I hold up 2 fingers and I try to take 8 fingers away, I can't do that. So I'm going to have to borrow a 10 from here. So I'm going to put a 1 right here, and I'm going to add this 10 to this 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Now I can subtract. My number on top is bigger than my number on the bottom. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now I move to my tens column, and the number I have here is a 1. So everybody hold up 1 finger. Now, take 3 fingers away. What? I can't. I'm going to have to borrow. So I'm going to come over here to my hundreds column. I'm going to change the 3 to a 2. And I'm going to take the 10 and I'm going to add it to this 1. And that gives me 11. So now I can subtract because my number on top is bigger than my number on the bottom. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. So now I'm going to subtract in my hundreds. I have 2 minus 2. That's super cinchy. That would be 0. So my answer for 322 minus 238 is 84. We're going to go quickly to our next page. And this is super cinchy. So we're going to go over our word bank first. We'll go over the pictures, and then using your neatest and nicest handwriting, you are going to fill in the words from the word bank under the correct picture. So let's look at our words. Clue, blue, fruit, fuel, flu, chew, suit, glue, and cruise. Cruise. All right, let's look at our pictures. So I have somebody flying in an airplane. I have a suit. I have fuel, glue, and looks like this fella has a little candy bar or something and he's chewing. I have some fruit, and I have a boat or a ship. Ooh, I have a magnifying glass, and I'm looking at footprints or shoe prints. Looks like a detective. Maybe that would be a clue. And then I have a little girl right here, and she's got a bubble wand, and she's blowing bubbles. So remember, we're working on the U-E and U-I, and it says ooh. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see everybody on Monday.